Right, YouTube, April 21st. Gonna go have a look around. It's been cool again, 17 degrees today, a bit windy, overcast. Gonna have a look and see what's going on in here. Gotta give them some syrup. And see how we're looking. Should be getting a new package of bees beginning of May, so like 2 weeks. Now you'll see this is one of the frames that I put the pass-through hole on. Hopefully you can see that. They have not built comb through it. Testing the new theory that that should give them some more freedom to move in the wintertime if they need to move their cluster around. Let me know if you see the queen. Keep forgetting to watch for her. Lots of worker brood here. Lots of worker brood, holy smokes. Bees are behaving nicely today. Lighter frame again. There's our queen. See her there. Lots of larvae. Some nectar at the top. Everything looks fine. In we go. Okay, don't think we've opened the hive this year this far. Pretty good worker comb. Now, here's something going on. And here. That might be the beginnings of queen cell. Yes, so as I suspected. Let's see if there's anybody in here. And I can't quite tell, but it looks like there could be a larvae in there. So we're just going to get rid of that. And we're going to get rid of that. I'll check that one out on camera here in a little bit, but okay, so suspicions definitely confirmed. That frame is backwards. Definitely confirmed they are crowded and they want to get ready to do their own split. I do have my traps and my other hives empty sitting up here too, so a little more weight. Drone brood. Tons of larvae. Workers, more larvae, nectar at the top. These guys are just going. They're definitely ready to split. Why would I not split them sooner than I get my package? That's a good question. Well, I think I just broke a frame off. So I'll have to figure out what to do about that. So it looks like one of them broke where the, where that plastic foundation was meeting their naturally made comb. So it's going to be a bit tricky, but little emergency surgery here on this broken frame. There we go. Cradle. Anybody out? Anybody out that's getting out? Might be one or two in there. Alright. I think we did it. Took that piece of broken comb, just put it in the end, gave them more space, let them figure out what they want to do with it. That queen cup. Or swarm cell, or... Let's see if there was anything in this one. It was kind of dark, so I wasn't sure about the other one. Nothing in it. Alright, that's good. I have to get a more concise plan ready, or they will swarm on me, so...